Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating some DIYs for tier trays. So come on with me, guys. Now, aren't these cute little jars so adorable? So we're going to start out with these. And of course, these used to have some jam inside, and it's very farmhouse. I just absolutely love these. So I have 3, and we're going to go ahead and start out by painting the inside in this apple barrel red paint so that it would mimic the jam that goes inside the jars. These would be great for tier trays. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels. Now, this video today is part of a collaboration called Talented Creators, and the host of this collaboration is DIY with Aria and Low Lids Creations. Now, they do have a theme, and that is doing DIYs for tier trays, so making tier tray decor, guys. So I had to keep these jam jars. I was in a restaurant and I saw them. I had to have them. So I cleaned them out really good. And I'm just, since the jam that was in here was strawberry, I decided to go ahead and paint the inside to mimic the jam in the red. So that's what we're doing here. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave these sit so they can dry. So let's move on to the next craft. Now, you know we can't do a tier tray without doing one of these birdhouses. I absolutely love them, especially now for this season. So I decided to go ahead and go with yellow. And I'm not sure how I'm going to embellish this yet, but we are going to start out with this beautiful color yellow. Okay, so now this is going to have to sit aside so that this can dry. So let's move on to the next one. So I am loving this bee. I've been finding it at Dollar Tree. I am so excited about that. And it's a nice size. So we're going to go ahead and color that bee in that yellow. And it does have some raised wood. So I might do that in a different color. Let's see what direction we go in, guys. Now I decided to go ahead and go with the red. I figured the jam was red. It just looks so nice for the summer. Let me just go ahead and paint it in red as well, and that's what I'm doing here. Now, isn't that looking beautiful? I'm so happy that I went with that red. So I got one of the wood rounds that Dollar Tree sells, and we're gonna go ahead and make this a stand-up decor. So I'm placing some hot glue on the piece and then holding it still until that glue dries. Now I'm probably gonna go back and secure this after the video, add some more hot glue and let that set. So that's what this is looking like. Can't wait for the reveal, guys. Let's move on to the next one. Now, when I brought the birdhouse back, I just always seem to lean toward the vintage stuff. So I thought, well, I have the flat back pearls right in front of me, and I absolutely love the combination of the yellow and the lilac, or the anything in the purple color, but especially the lilac and lavender. Now, so I grabbed some of those flat back pearls, plus we have to use up our stash, guys. So I grabbed some of the pearls and I just kind of embellished a little bit with it. I was kind of hoping it had some lace, but I didn't have it handy. So we're gonna go ahead and decorate with this and then move on to the reveal. Okay, so now we're just putting the lids on those jars. Don't they look absolutely beautiful? I'm loving them. And so everything is done here. So we're gonna head on over to, let's go decorate a tier tray. I think I like that idea. So I think this looks absolutely beautiful and so light and refreshing. I am loving it. And look at those jars. I just think that's just so adorable. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.